Hi, Patrick Johnson speaking. Just a quick thing, I'm busy cleaning out the gas lines on the cooling rack. Okay, what I've done is I've connected my tire bead blaster to the cooling rack properly, and then I've blocked off this side here. Actually no, I've blocked off the other side, and the gas then, when I open the bead blaster, the air will run through the cooling rack this side, through all the way out the front, and blow out the front here. So I'll try to get some footage of this, see what happens. Okay, I hope that worked. Got some soot out of the system. I'll do it a couple more times and be done.